The Therefore connector from Microsoft SharePoint allows you to integrate your Therefore repository and SharePoint libraries. The connector can work in either direction, moving documents between systems in an automatic and traceable manner. In this example, we have set the connector to move documents from a SharePoint library called Archive to Therefore to a category in Therefore called Moved from SharePoint. The file name will be saved as index data along with the document. We've also configured an index field to capture the date that the document was saved to Therefore. We'll now upload a file to the SharePoint library. The SharePoint connector crawler will scan the library at an interval of every 10 minutes. Once it detects there's an eligible document in the library, it will move it into Therefore. Now you can see that the document is no longer in the SharePoint library named Archive to Therefore. If we search in Therefore, we'll see that the document has now been moved along with the archival date and the file name. We can now view the document in Therefore. In this example, we have set the connector to work in the opposite direction by copying files from Therefore to a SharePoint library. The connector checks the category for documents that have the status Approved and copies them to SharePoint. We'll start by saving a document and setting the field to Approved. This field can also be set automatically when the document is captured or during a workflow process. The document is now saved in the Therefore category Copy to SharePoint. The connector has already copied the document into the SharePoint library. Returning to the original category in Therefore, we can see that the document has been updated with the status Approved Copied. Previously, it was just Approved, but the connector has updated the field to Approved Copied after copying to SharePoint. This ensures that the crawler doesn't repeatedly attempt to copy the same documents.